Hey, you know what? I just got this in the mail today from Okuma. Now I kind of know what this is already. I had a ITX 3000 reel when it first came out. It was probably, I would say, my favorite 3000 reel in a long time. It was lightweight. It fit a lot of my 7.5 to 9'9" rods. It was perfect. But I kept using it for so long. The handles, the golf grips on the handles just wore down to nubs. So I made a video. I colored in the worn areas to make it look black like normal, and I respooled it and I retired it because the reel did its job. And so I noticed that on Instagram about maybe a couple weeks later, this gentleman named Eric Suzuki from Honolulu said that, oh, I really can't get a handle for my ITX 3000. So I go, whoa. So I contacted Okuma, and there we go. I sent them a note saying, look at that, there's two, one here, one here. I sent them a note saying, not only did I retire mine, but my this friend, not friend, but somebody I haven't met yet, a user here in Hawaii that is using the same reel, loved his, but his had the same problem wearing down, and we couldn't find any replacements on GoMexes or anything else. So I contacted a company, and lo and behold, here's one for me, one for him. So thanks a lot. I'll go give Eric a call and we'll go get this set up. Okay, guys, I just came from the house. This is my 3000 ITX. You know, I love this reel for the flats. And the reason I like it for the flats is because of the size. It's dependable. It's very lightweight. It's strong enough, you know. Recently, I've been using my 4000. The 4000 is no fun on the flats. It on a 9'9" rod, it just really overpowers the fish. I don't get too much enjoyment out of it. But when I use this reel, damn, I use it on a 10'6". SST is a 10'6". SST is salmon steelhead trout, which is kind of like recognized as a whipping rod in Hawaii, which means spin casting rod. Perfect setup. And I think I only have 8 pound. This 8 pound braid on it. Oh, what a beautiful setup. So I mean, the biggest fish I caught in that last year was like I think it was like around a 9 pound papilio, which is a jack, trevally. Perfect. So I retired this reel, and I actually put a video because I really missed this reel. Here it is. Still looks brand spanking new. I serviced it on my own, re-greased everything. Beautiful hand size reel. Here's the handle. Look at it. See, look, it looks good, right? From afar, it looks good, but look at it really close. See, it's all worn down, and see, it's not even anymore. It's all worn down, and I colored it in with a black marker. 3-4 times I colored it in. So from afar, it looks okay. So okay, so I'm gonna take this one off, put one of the new ones on, and I'll get in touch with Eric and give him his unit. He really appreciates that too. When I first contacted him, I told him, hey, you know, I'm gonna get one. I saw you posting. I'm gonna ask the company if they can get you one because you're a valued Okuma user. And Okuma agreed with me. Oh, look at this. Everything's all wrapped up in plastic, yet it's still plastic on it. So let's see now. The other way, Yeah, left way. Just wrist tight. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. I'll get my scissors and cut this off. There you go. Good as new again. Isn't that great? Oh, I'm gonna have to give this a whirl. I miss this reel so much. So Eric, I will give you a call. I'll drop this off to you, buddy. And I hope you're gonna be happy with your reel as I am with mine. And he also told me how he got his, because I asked him, oh, did you get it off of eBay or Amazon, or you went direct? He said, no. He said, here in Hawaii, one of the most popular ways of getting equipment is to Bill Newton. His shop used to be Ever Beach Buy and Sell, but now it's High Fish Gear, HIFISH Gear. He runs daily auctions. He has his own website, and he said he got his unit off of one of his auctions at a good price. And he said that for a year that was his favorite reel until he ran into the same problem I did, which was the golf grips. I guess you call it TPEs. I'm not sure, in the middle, wearing out. So he had the same problem I did. It's just from overusage, you know. Just when you got big hands and you go. So that's it. So I want to really thank Okuma that they sent me this one for free. And I would like to say also thank you for Eric, because he's so happy when I told him that they're going to double the handles coming in for me, and they're going to be sending one for him through me. So I'm sure Eric's going to thank you too. Thanks a lot. I'm kind of wondering, I'm going to give my friend Vernon a shout out at Comexes. Maybe he has something to replace this with, and maybe I can still use that. Here it is. This is the rod. This rod has been wanting a partner for, God, half a year now. This is a SST 1062M, and the 1062 stands for 10 feet 6 inches, and 2 means for 2 parts. Yep, I was right. It's a medium. 10 foot 6 is a medium. And it says 8 to 17 pound test line, 3/8 to 3/4 ounces. So I was using, I think it was 30 grams. It's just a hair over, just a hair over 3/4. And it was perfect. The rod tip didn't even feel it. This is a good solid setup. I mean, I like the SSTs, the Guy Select Pros, that type of rods from Okuma, because they're equivalent to whipping rods. In Hawaii, a good spinning rod, we call it a whipping rod, because we're whipping out our lures, our baits. Let's see now. Oh yeah, thing of beauty. So what? Yes. There we go. Look at that. Looks and feels good, doesn't it? Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this. I really am gonna enjoy that. So I'm happy again. Perfect. It feels good. If I was to use this is a medium. If I use medium heavy, I would probably go up to the 4,000. But the 3,000 on this rig is such a good feel. I'm not sure what Eric is using, but this is what I'll be going with. Again, thank you, Okuma, for sending my new handle. And I'm sure Eric thanks you too.